Hello everybody, as Alec introduced me, my name is James Davidson. I'm the General Manager of Grand Touring Automobiles Uptown Toronto and also responsible for the Bugatti brand. So it's my pleasure to present this magnificent vehicle before us. With the one-off Bugatti La Voiture Noire, Bugatti once again proved that it produces the world's most powerful, most luxurious, and most exclusive hyper sports cars. With this vehicle, Bugatti paid homage to its heritage, its French heritage and its French identity. It took performance, speed, technology and aesthetic into a new era. This tailor-made showpiece is only comparable to the haute couture of the finest French fashion houses. The extended front end and the Bugatti C-Line create an elongated spectacle, and the features define the vision of a coupe. The bumpers integrate smoothly into the body of the car, and the front windshield seems to flow seamlessly into the windows at the side like the visor on a helmet. Every component is handcrafted, and the body, its carbon fiber, is a deep gloss black, only interrupted by the fine structure. This is a material that's been handled perfectly. At the heart of this creation is a 16-cylinder engine that produces 1,500 horsepower and displaces 8 liters. 6 tailpipes bear witness to this power at the rear of the car, and also reference the 16 cylinders. For 11 million euros, this vehicle has already been sold to a Bugatti enthusiast. Its uniqueness, exclusivity, speed, and design ensure that this vehicle, La Voiture Noire, contributes in a substantial way to our storied history of the automobile. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to present Bugatti La Voiture Noire to you all today and throughout the Toronto Auto Show.